All right, so a lot of people ask me, what are these? And so they are called PowerBlocks. I started out with having multiple dumbbells in my house, and I found when I went to vacuum or do things, there's like moving all the dumbbells, and especially if you have kids around, sometimes they get lost or taken into different rooms. So the PowerBlocks allows you to keep all your weights in one place, and it allows you an incremental increase. So this is an example of a block that goes from 3 pounds to 33 pounds. And so essentially in its lightest mode, the inner tubes are empty and this handle weighs 3 pounds. If I have put the extra pound tubes in, then this handle becomes a 5-pounder handle. And then every color corresponds to a weight that's indicated on the block itself. And you simply have to, if I wanted to use 11 pounds, so it has an empty handle, and I want to put it into the white, that would lock it into place so that now this handle would be my 11-pound weight. And so it allowed me to increase, whether it's 3 pounds at a time or as simple as 1 pound at a time. I have, however, noticed with the PowerBlocks that have the weights here, that 13 pounds with 2 of the pounds being below my hand actually feels more like 15 pounds. So it doesn't matter how it feels as long as it challenges you and that you have weights that you feel comfortable holding, that you're actually looking forward to working out with. That's important. My hands get cold really easily. I don't like holding metal weights. So, wearing gloves is helpful. So just things to keep in mind when you're selecting the right tools to help you with your workouts, especially if you're investing in weights for home gym setup. Make sure that's something that's going to last you a long time because weights are expensive, and so you want to make a wise investment. So I hope that helps you when you saw me using the PowerBlocks, what they are and if they might be right for you.